The Series 1000 was the first sound effects library ever made available on compact disc. 28 CDs of over 3,000 professional quality analog sound effects in a remarkable variety of categories. Have a listen. The Series 1000 sound effects library from Sound Ideas, the world's first on CD, is still the one that makes an unforgettable addition to your collection. The Series 2000 library is the world's first digitally recorded and mastered collection of over 2,000 stereo effects on 22 CDs. This library set the standard for digital sound effects production around the world. But don't just take our word for it. Have a listen for yourself. Series 2000 is perfect on its own, or as a complement to your Sound Ideas audio library. Now you can collect Series 1000 and Series 2000, two great firsts from Sound Ideas, the first name in lasting sound effects.
Next time you need to lose yourself in a jungle of ambient sounds, or a crowd, or you need to build a background of incredibly realistic ambience for up to 4 full minutes in length without having to loop, just get your hands on the Sound Ideas Series 3000 Ambience Library. Sound Ideas' collection of over 200 stereo sound effects on 12 compact discs have been digitally recorded for the purest ambience backgrounds. Everything from city, country, deserts, forests, indoor and outdoor crowds, bars, airports, and more, and even room tone, all 4 minutes in length and all at your fingertips with our indispensable catalog. And naturally, the library comes in its own personal carrying case.
The Sound Ideas Ambience Library. Sounds incredible.
Hollywood. Entertainment home to the world. Hollywood is movies, movies, and more movies. But what would those great Hollywood movies be without all those great sound effects? Now you can bring the best of Hollywood to life in your productions with the Hollywood Sound Effects Library from Sound Ideas. The Hollywood Sound Effects Library is an unforgettable collection of 2,200 sound effects, digitally recorded on 5 compact discs. It's what Hollywood is all about, taking you to the far reaches of outer space. To the far-out world of comedy. Hollywood can set the scene. deliver blow-by-blow action. Or blow you away. The Hollywood Sound Effects Library offers you sound effects straight from the heart. And from other places too. Hollywood also includes tunes for cartoons, circus music, fanfares, and much, much more. When you're ready to create productions that have all the glamour, action, and laughs you've come to expect from great Hollywood movies, then the Hollywood Sound Effects Library is your best choice. The Hollywood Sound Effects Library. It's the next best thing to theater popcorn. Call the Sound Ideas representative today and enjoy the best of Hollywood. Wheels Series 5000, the definitive car library. 24 compact discs, over 2,500 effects, showcasing a vast array of foreign and domestic vehicles in a variety of makes and sizes. Sound Ideas has dedicated a full CD to every vehicle. And what variety! Check out what's on the lot. The models include a Dodge Omni, a Cadillac, a Porsche 930 Turbo, a Jeep 4x4, a Greyhound bus, an awesome 18-wheeler, a Harley-Davidson, and several vintage model cars. You're sure to find just what you're looking for on Wheels Series 5000. And you can't beat the sticker price either. And there is no background ambience on any of these tracks. Every effect of every car was meticulously digitally recorded by Sound Ideas' veteran audio engineering staff. So high performance is guaranteed, and we're ready to roll. At Sound Ideas, the wheels never stop turning. Following the success of Wheels 1, we revved up our engines to create Wheels 2 Second Gear. This is where the rubber meets the road. A superb new collection of 21 CDs featuring roadworthy effects for 20 different cars, trucks, recreational vehicles, and an impressive selection of extraordinary vintage and performance automobiles. There's even one full CD of off-road effects. Fasten your seatbelt and take a listen. Wheels 2 Second Gear. It's the sound effects library that puts you in the driver's seat of a 1955 Packard, a late model Jeep Grand Cherokee, a Porsche Turbo S, and more. Best of all, you don't need a driver's license to get behind the wheel. The Sound Ideas Wheels Collection. Sounds incredible.